Morning, children. How are you? Tinu Minus? All have come in standard fifth, motti class, hai? Today is our first lesson, and that is grammar. All of you open your grammar. Yeah? Now we will do lesson number 1. Okay? Page number 1, 2, and 3 I will explain you today. And send you the PDF. PDF બી મોકલીશ. And homework શું હશે? PDF તમારે કોપી કરવાની. You have to copy my PDF in your textbook, okay? In your grammar textbook. First, all of you understand, સમજો. Now, putting words together, okay? Now, in a sentence, what is a sentence? First, મને એમ કહો. What is a sentence? See, all of you see on the board, huh? A cat, milk, drinks. Is this right? No. Wrong. Now I'll tell you. A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. Complete sense. This is wrong, but we are a cat drinks milk. This is the complete sentence. This is right. So, a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Alright? Yeah. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence has a subject and a predicate. Okay? Subject means about whom the sentence is. The subject of a sentence is the person or thing spoken about. The predicate is what is said about the person or thing. Now here's the subject and predicate. The tiger roared loudly. About whom is the sentence? The tiger. So the tiger is the subject. And what is the tiger doing? Roared. Roar करे, okay? Loudly. So roared loudly is the predicate. She will grow up to be a fine young woman. She. Talking about she. What she will be? Will grow up to be a fine young woman. That is the predicate. Helicopters are not as fast as aeroplanes. Now helicopters, subject. Are not as fast as aeroplanes. Predicate. Garva scored 90 marks in the maths test. Garv. What did he do? He scored 90 marks in the maths test. So that will be predicate. Now underline the subject in red and the predicate in blue in the sentences given below. Now this full exercise I have done for you. I will send you this PDF. So you have to copy it in your grammar textbook direct. No other homework. This is your homework, okay? See, the lecture lasted for over 2 hours. The lecture, subject, remaining predicate. Nina got wet in the rain. Nina, subject, remaining predicate. The asteroid circled the earth twice. The asteroid, subject, remaining will be predicate. You have to understand. The students are practicing in the field. The students, subject, and are practicing in the field, predicate. You must eat your meals on time. So you, subject, must eat your meals on time, predicate. Here, does the cake need more icing on the top? About whom is the sentence? About the cake. So the cake is the subject. Remaining all is predicate. Anu has made such a mess in the room. Anu, subject, remaining predicate. That you have to understand. The tiles, subject, or school, subject, remaining all are predicates. Now page number 2. Turn everybody. Now types of sentences, okay? A declarative sentence is a one that gives information about any subject. Anybody telling you about subject, anything, any sentence, that is a declarative sentence. Most sentences that we read in books or speak are declarative sentences. Declarative sentences are of two types. They are affirmative sentences, that means they are positive and they tell us something which is positive. Negative sentences are negative. Hmm? In that, the words are used like no, not, never, isn't, can't, etc. to tell us something is not so. This is page number 2, children. Now, affirmative sentences. The ball is made from good quality rubber. I am going to the street market on Sunday. These are affirmative, yes sentences. It will be a hot and a dry summer this year. Now, negative, all negative with no. In that, words will be no, not, never, isn't, can't. The plumber doesn't have a wrench. It is not a good day for shopping. We couldn't complete our work on time. Did you see, all of you? Now, here I have given the answers. Sentences are here, answers I have given. So, this I'll fill and send you. You have to copy down, okay? Here, nobody is sharing their book with me. Nobody. So, negative. She would never harm the child. Never. So, negative. Harish is a good friend of mine. Affirmative. Okay? Everyone is leaving tonight. Affirmative. Give a few toys to Nina to play with. Affirmative. We weren't. Weren't means were not. Planning to rent this house. Negative. I hope your stay was comfortable. Affirmative. None of the children brought the umbrellas. None. Nobody. So, negative. The job was a respectable one. Affirmative. The tigers cannot be spotted during the day. This is negative. Now, our last page, children, I'm explaining you, and you will have to copy all this. See. Change the given affirmative sentences into negative sentences. Dinesh cycles to the park every day. Cycles, that is present tense. So, see. Now, cycles, C-Y-C-L-E-S, it is a present tense. Which tense is it? Present. So, in present, we have to use first person, second person, third person. This is person. This is singular. Singular means one. And plural means more than one. Okay? See. Singular, plural. First person is I. Plural is we. You. Here he, she, it, and they. Okay? In this, with I, we have to use do. We do. You do. Again, you do. Now, he, she, it. Then you have to use does. D-O-E-S. And they do. Alright? This everybody has to learn by heart. Okay? See, now we have to change affirmative to negative. Dinesh cycles to the park every day. Cycles is present tense, okay? Dinesh means he. So, we have to use does. Dinesh does not cycle to the park every day. Now, he was very cooperative and helpful. He was not very cooperative and helpful. All the children are going to the excursion. All the children are not going to on the excursion. They did the artwork themselves. Now, if did is there, we have to directly put did not, didn't. They did not do the artwork themselves. Everybody here believes in ghosts. Nobody here believes in ghosts. Everybody is always mostly changed to nobody. We are looking forward to this trip. We are not looking forward to this trip. Okay? Now change the given negative to affirmative. The teacher is the teacher isn't very busy. Isn't will be changed to is. The teacher is very busy. Nobody in her family can sing, so everybody in her family can sing. Now here is wasn't, so was feeling. Anya wasn't feeling well enough to play. Anya was feeling well enough to play. We aren't interested in the pottery classes. We are interested in the pottery classes. Ravi and Tarun don't eat meat. They aren't non-vegetarians. Ravi and Tarun eat meat. They are non-vegetarians. Okay? Now last sentence. So children, I'm just telling you, none of the artifacts were genuine. All the artifacts were genuine. Now, till page number 3 I'm giving you. So you have to copy all these. આ બધું copy કરવાનું તમારી બુક્સમાં. You have already got the books. ના મળી હોય તો purchase કરી લેજો. Okay? Books are already there in school. Now we'll meet in our next video. Okay? Bye children.